Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see a aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 2. The selling price of 40 apples is equal to cost price of 35 apples. Find the profit or loss obtained. Option A, gain of 5.5%. Option B, gain of 12.5%. Option C, loss of 5.5%. Option D, loss of 12.5%. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, loss of 12.5%. Explanation. Let CP of each apple be rupee 1. Therefore, CP of 40 apples equals 40 rupees, SP of 40 apples equals 35 rupees. CP of 40 apples greater than SP of 40 apples. Loss equals 40 minus 35 equals 5 rupees. Loss percent equals loss by CP into 100. Loss percent equals 5 by 40 into 100 equals 12.5%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.